Well, hi everybody, it's Dave here at the TLC Home Office, and today we're super excited to introduce to you our new custom marketing platform that we've created for you here at TLC. We're going to give you a quick overview of how to use it, but it's going to give you access to our marketing templates, things that you can quickly customize with your own brand kit and share on social media and everywhere else. So let's dive in and take a look at this exciting new platform called TLC Digital Marketing Studio. So the very first place we're going to begin is in TLC Agent Hub. You're going to go ahead and log in to your agent portal. If you haven't been in here yet, you're just going to go to tlcagenthub.com. Now, once we're here, we're going to go ahead over to Marketing Tools. Now, within Marketing Tools, you're going to have a lot of options here, things that our team has put together for you. But for today's purposes, we're going to be going to TLC Digital Marketing Studio. I'm going to go ahead and click here. It's going to open up the app for me. Now you can see I've already created an account, but the first time you come here, it's going to walk you through the account creation process. And importantly, let me show you under My Account, it will have you create your own brand kit. I'm going to really encourage you to take your time when you do this and make sure everything is really accurate, because this is the information. These are the graphics that you're going to be applying to any template that you choose to customize here in TLC Digital Marketing Studio. So you can see I've entered my name, I've entered an email address right here, a website, and then a phone number. And then down below, you can see I've entered two different logos. This is really, really important. You want to have a primary logo, which is, it can be any color that you want. And then you're going to want to have an all white logo if you have that option. You can upload both of these. And the reason for that is you want an all white logo in the event that you pick one of our templates that has a colorful background. You don't want to apply a blue or green logo to a design that has that type of a background, right? So we're going to have that all white logo if you can upload that. If you don't have one, a really easy trick, upload your current logo into AI. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Claude, it could be Google Gemini, and just ask AI to create a all white version of your logo with a transparent background. It should do that pretty quickly, and you can download that and have that ready to go. I'm also going to put a professional photo. I'll try to pick a really good picture. Our designs work best with a shape similar to this. So it could be a 3-inch by 5-inch picture, or something along those lines. It's going to be that vertical rectangle rather than a square is going to always work better in TLC's templates. Once you've created that, you'll be able to save your design kit. Then let's go back to the home screen here. So on the home screen, you're going to see we have 20 templates available already here today. You can simply click Browse Templates. I'm going to go to Templates here, and we've started to populate these. We have some social media posts for turning 65. You'll see that we have some categories of different types of designs here: social media posts, flyers, presentations. Turning 65, we have AEP 2027 designs already in the works. And as we scroll down, there's a flyer. This was our first flyer that we uploaded. We're going to be doing more here in the weeks to come. And then we have a presentation. I'm going to show you one of each of these in today's demonstration. And it's as easy as picking a design. It's going to prompt you to customize. We've also given you the ability here to favorite. There's this little heart icon in the top. You can favorite those, and then they'll show up under your account information anytime that you log in. An important note here, this is custom software that our team has created exclusively for TLC affiliate agents. We made it, which means we're going to be enhancing this all the time as we go. But I simply click Customize. There's a little pop-up here. It's going to say, after applying your brand kit or uploading images and entering in text, please review your design carefully before downloading. Images and logos might need to be cropped using the tools in the menu. All editable items can be dragged and dropped on the design. There's also a video tutorial here to show you how to work with our template designer. I'm going to click Continue. Now here's that template that we picked, and you can see on the template, we have a space for your logo. Down here, we have a space for your headshot, a phone number, and an agent name. Now, because I did a good job creating my brand kit, all I have to do is come over here on the right and click Apply Brand Kit to Design, And if you look, magically, there's our TLC logo, my phone number, and my name, and my headshot. Now, back to that disclaimer, if I'm looking at this menu on the right, I can customize the look of each item that's been applied. And you can see the TLC logo is a little bit cropped on the bottom here. So I'm going to click Crop Adjust. I'm just going to zoom it out so that that C looks really good. I click Apply, and now you can see our logo looks really good. I can also drag and drop this. So we did give you permission to move these items around within the design. That won't change any of the pre-screen compliant work that we did. But there's my logo. Maybe my phone number, I want to pick a different font. We've given you some to choose from here. You can also change the color of that phone number. Maybe you want to pick a different color, something that stands out a little bit more. So we've given you a default, something that we think looks good, but we've also given you the ability to customize the design, and you can drag these around and make them look really good. So you can drag them anywhere that you want to. And the reason we give you the ability to change the size, so I can even scale the font size if you see here. Everybody's name's a different length, certain phone numbers are a different length, so we wanted to give you the ability to change the size and to drag these things around and reposition them. Same thing with my headshot. Maybe I want to zoom my headshot in a little bit more. I can simply come over here, crop adjust, and then I can zoom in and reposition and apply. My design is ready to go. All I have to do now is click export as PNG. I'm going to get a compliance overview here that says I can in no way further edit or alter this design. If I do, I'm now assuming the risks of it maybe being non-compliant. Agree to the terms, download, and now you're free to post that on your social media, share it out everywhere. Your design is ready to go. So that would be a quick example of a social media post. If I come back and choose one of the flyer templates, and we only have one here for now, exact same process. Apply my brand kit, and I can move items around and customize fully here. And that's what I'm going to do. You can see our logo is just slightly cropped. So let's go ahead and fix that by zooming out. And this is a good example because this used the all white logo. And you see here why we would not want to use a colorful logo. This is really cool. Let's go back to templates. We also have the ability for presentations. So as we make presentations, we're going to be putting them in here. And you can customize. This is our Medicare 101 presentation. I can apply the brand kit, realign some things the way that I want it to look, make sure everything's nice and tight. And then up here, I have this. My logo is a little cropped once again. Let's go ahead and make that adjustment here and zoom that out and apply. I can now download this 19-page presentation as a PDF, and it's going to have my agent information on the important slide at the end. So there's the export option for that. That is your quick overview. It's pretty darn easy to use. I would encourage you and invite you to go check it out. And here's the really exciting thing that we're going to be doing. If you do not follow our Facebook group, please check it out. We'd love to have you part of it. TLC Agent Connect. In the email that I sent with this video, at the very bottom is going to be the way that you go join our Facebook group. We will be doing constant new design drops on social media, showing you what we've come up with and inviting you to come back here and check it out. One of the big things that'll be coming next will be our AEP toolkit, where you'll be able to come in, it will all be categorized, you'll be able to customize multiple pieces to help you market AEP and do client retention work. So please follow us on social media, make sure you're getting our emails, and take some time to check out TLC Digital Marketing Studio. We hope you absolutely love it.